everyone, I'm Dave. Welcome back to my Hand of the Week series. I played this hand a couple days ago in a BBO tournament. I was in the West seat, dealer, favorable vulnerability. I passed, North passed, my partner opened one club. I bid a no trump and it was passed out. And we get the King of Diamonds lead, overtaken by the ace. Now it looks like I can certainly set up a diamond trick. If I count my winners, I have 3 clubs, 2 hearts, and 1 spade for 6. I can probably certainly set up a diamond winner for 7. Maybe not. If North had King, Queen, Jack, 8, 4th, I don't have a diamond trick. But I can also double finesse spades to try to get an extra trick. So I'll see what the opponents do, and they return a diamond. I stick in the 9, the queen, the 4, and they return a diamond. And sure enough, I have a diamond trick now. So I have 3 clubs, a diamond, 2 hearts, and a spade. So I do have 7 tricks, so I'm making 1 no trump. And I can still double finesse the spades if I want to try to make an over trick. So North leads the 3 of spades, which most players lead low from an honor. And it seems right to duck here, certainly if I'm going to double finesse. Now when South puts in the queen, this is not a restricted choice play. Restricted choice refers to when a player has 2 touching honors and half the times they would put in one and the other half they would put in the other. And that changes the probability on the location of the other honor. But in this situation at trick 5, South is playing 3rd hand high, lesser of equals. So from king queen, he would almost always play the queen and not the king. He doesn't want to mislead his partner. And also, his next play is not a spade. So if he does have the king of spades, seems likely that he would have let a spade. But he leads the deuce of hearts. And it seems right to let this run around to dummy. And it also seems right to duck. I always have at least 1 heart loser. And potentially I can set up an extra heart trick, but in some sort of a squeeze scenario or something. So I duck this, and North continues with the queen of hearts. And I take with the king. Now I have my diamonds good, my 3 clubs are good, I have the ace of hearts. It's just a question about how to play the spade suit. Do I finesse North for the king of spades, or do I do something else? And what would that else be? Well, it turns out that I have a potential Vienna Coup here. And a Vienna Coup is one of the coolest plays in bridge. It's where you unblock one hand and basically transfer the threat card to the other hand. And I can do this in spades if I believe South has the king of spades and the extra heart. Now, if I count points. North has already shown up with King, Queen, Jack of diamonds and the Queen, Jack of hearts. That's 9 points. If he had the King of spades, he would add 12 points, and he did not open this hand. So I'm really beginning to believe that South has the King of spades. And Vienna coups are rare enough and so cool that when you have a chance to take one, you want to do it. So I decide to play for a Vienna coup, and I play the Jack spades just in case North might cover if he has the king. He doesn't cover. Further confirmation that South might have the king. So I go up with the ace. And now I'm going to play 3 rounds of clubs ending in the west hand, and then I'm going to lay down the 10 of diamonds and discard the 10 of spades. And if South is protecting the king of spades and both hearts, he's going to be squeezed. And that's exactly what happens. When I play the 10 of diamonds, I can safely play the 10 of spades because the threat card is in my hand, the 9 of spades, and now South can't do anything. If he throws a heart, my 2 hearts are good. If he throws a spade, my spade is good, and I get 1 heart trick. He throws the spade, and now I just cash my spade and play a heart to the ace, making the over trick, which is really, really important in bridge. So thanks all for watching, and I'll see you back here next